See, it does have the fog lights up front and alloy wheels. This one also has a luggage rack and sunroof. It is an 8-passenger. That seat between the two captain's chairs there in the second row can also stow here. You see that you do have quite a bit of storage space here in the back. The rear door and the two sides, the sliding doors, are powered. And we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it is a black leather interior. And here's a shot of the van right here, and I will upload some still photos of these as well. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 35,375 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your stereo controls, your push to talk, your cruise control. Over here, you've got your audio, which will go ahead and come over here. Your options and your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary port. And then let's go ahead and bounce on back home. And then your apps, you do have traffic and weather. Obviously you'd have to have connection through those, your Eco app. And then as we come down here, you can put that in reverse so you can see the backup camera. You have your comfort controls, your heated front seats right here, and then a USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt outlet, cup holders, and then additional stowage, more cup holders, more stowage. It's in a minivan. Stowage is king, and you have 2 glove compartments. As you come up here, you're going to have a compass in your mirror, and then you've got a glasses holder that also doubles as a conversation mirror, and then you've got your map reading lights and your sunroof. That about wraps it up for this Toyota on the inside. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front that affected the front driver quarter panel to the front passenger quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and a state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.